Yo, Match, check this out! Ta-da!
Ew. And what's, like, supposed to be anyway?
Isn't it obvious? It's my favorite host, of course.
Don't you mean, like, our favorite host? Look! He's here. He's, like, here!
Haha, of course, little. It's time for the grand finale. I can never miss this. Where's my final two? Over here! You are the best host ever! Even better than Ice Cube could ever be as the host! Your obsession with Ice Cube confuses me, but I appreciate it nonetheless. And I have a much, much lower appreciation of Ice Cube, but I also agree you're probably better than her. Maybe. Everyone, let's all chant for his name. Four. Wow, haha. Thank you so much for the support, everyone.
Coming.
What the fuck did he just say?
Four.
No.
Flower, what on four did you just do?
Nothing. I didn't think I did anything. What the?
Looks like that's all over. Roll credits. Or we can keep the episode going or something, maybe.
Let's go help right now.
Yeah, that was my other idea. End the episode, or, find help or whatever. Either works.
Hello, XC. You haven't moved in a good few... Wait, I think this watch is off by a couple of minutes. Okay, it's fixed. So you haven't moved in months, so I was wondering if you wanted to come join us in the TV studio or something.
No!
I'm all good.
Where is your family?
Oh, my meat factory. Well, I guess this makes me the runner-up. Congrats, Flower. Good game.
You too, Jelly Man.
Oh, guys, the BFB screen thing, magic, what's happening to it?
Is this thing deep frying? What the?
So beautiful!
Wow! There it is! The BFB! This is gonna be delish! Guys, I knew it was tasty, but with mustard? No competition, guys. No competition. Now, where'd I leave my ketchup?
Stop putting condiments on the prize of the season. Sigh. Fine. A competition is a competition. You've earned it. Here is the BFDI.
Thank you. Give it! Announcer, give it!
Gelatin or flour having the BFDI? I don't think so. It's purple face time.
Hello once again, yellow friend. Still here, I see.
This is the last episode. BFB means so much to him. I just know he'll come back.
You guys, no one came to my birthday. I bought a birthday cake, and no one came at all. No one came to my Chuck E. Cheese birthday. Only Chucky. Why don't you guys like me?
Ugh. Let's ignore that last moment. But maybe if I try hugging the ground, huh?
Yeah, anyway,
Meanwhile,
Wow, I'm so glad I won the prize. This thing, it's really good. You're very welcome. We've done so many seasons. We were running out of prizes, but thankfully that one is really good. That's what I just said.
You gotta be ashamed of yourself. Real talk, you gotta be ashamed of yourself. All that you is.
Hey, Four, can you hear me? Wake up! Four! Little Four, it's time to wake up now!
What's what's going on out there? And who was that? Have you tried waking up?
Wake up. I want to. We don't need him for. You can stay here forever. We'll like you at least. Why did you emphasize we?
La la la, buildings and castles, minding my own business and singing to myself like the legend that I am. Wait just 1 second. My sandcastles are good, but I don't remember building that one, am I right, folks?
Profiling. What just happened over here?
Sounded like Four was heading back to the Pillory Ruins, folks.
Ooh, I know how to get there super fast.
You guys did it!
Yeah, and we couldn't have done it without the BFB flower. Thanks again.
No worries, Jello. We should have been teaming up together for a long time. Seems like it's a good combination.
Very true, my friend.
Hey, announcer. Thanks for taking care of the end of the season.
Well, it is mine.
I know. It's your show. And I'm sorry I took it from you.
I understand. And without you, we probably wouldn't have made another season. And I wouldn't have had the original seasons backed up either. So, I don't know. I guess you're cool.
He sure is, speaker friend.
No, you gotta thank me for hosting episode 29 all by myself too, Four.
You did?
He did. He actually saved the series. I nearly got it cancelled. Sorry about that.
This bitch did what? Well then, I owe a big thank you to you, Purply Head. You really outdid yourself.
Yay!
Also, not to break the celebration, but while those folks were saving you, we were working on something a little cool.
Oh gosh, what is it?
Your very own party, Four! I know we didn't come through for you a couple of rounds ago, but I hope this makes up for it.
Everyone, thank you so much. It's perfect.
I mean, it was a group effort, but a lot of this was Profily's doing. It was truly their idea.
You like it! Yay, yay, yay!
Wow, then thank you, Profily. Clearly, it was the right decision to let you join the game.
Correction, I was always in the game.
I don't know about that.
Was so conversation over.
I really appreciate it, Profily. Thank you so much.
So we all had a fantastic party to finish the season. We played games and ate food and just got to hang out without the stress of a competition holding us down.
Hey, Bub, Ruby,
What's up?
wanna help me eat this grand cake?
Yoy! It must be nice for Flower and Gelatin to actually, like, use their prizes, huh?
Well, challenge is all in the past anyway. Onwards and upwards.
Hey, why don't we just find a new one?
What do you mean?
We don't have Dream Island right now, but, like, we can always find a new island and make it our Dream Island.
You wanna do that? Cause that sounds awesome!
We have a lot of lost time to catch up on, Fireman. Let's do it!
Let's go!
And we all just got to relax and have fun for a while. And while some things stay the same, some really cool new opportunities opened up too. And while some of us relaxed and took time off, some of us were keen to think ahead to the future. But really, any path seems like the right one to me, as long as I'm with my best friends. Anyway, so that's the comic I wrote, inspired by Teardrop's comics. What do you reckon she'll think of it?
I'm sure she'll love it!
Has anyone actually seen Teardrop? She's been missing for like a day now.
Well, I'm sure we'll see her again.
Alright, we got everything, Fireball?
You guys sure this is gonna be safe? Surely. I guess just try recovering us every now and then, in case, you know. Good luck, guys. I hope you find the Dream Island you're looking for.
Thanks, friendo! We'll miss you, Flower! Congrats on winning, girl! You deserved it!
We'll see you soon. Bye, guys. I'll miss you.
Flower, there you are. Blocky and Woody need new guests for their show. I thought you'd be an awesome partner. Wanna go together?
That sounds awesome. I really did win, didn't I?
Well, this was a blast. Maybe if this video reaches 100 likes, maybe I'll do an Inanimate Insanity Invitational episode 2 YouTube poop. Subscribe if you want to. It's okay if you don't. Anyways, roll the fiery scene.
So, Fiery, the first word of the season was hey.
Yeah?
So, I thought it'd be cool if we made the last word the same too, right?
Two.
Hey!
Why are you saying hey? We're already talking.
No, I'm saying hey, like, so it's the last word of the season. Hey!
Yo, what's up?
You're not following me. Just be quiet. Hey!
I'm getting mixed signals. You want me to be quiet, but you also say hey?
Okay, the last word of the season has to be hey, okay?
Sure.
Hey!
Hey!
Yes! We did it! Oh, I kept talking. Darn.
Rookie mistake, I see.
Hey!
Yo!
No, say hey!
Hey!
But like, after I say it. Hey!
Hey!
I was midway through speaking. How about this? On the count of 3, we both say hey, okay? 3.
Hey?
That was my bad. I meant to count down, but okay, let's try again. 1, 2.
Hey, I need to borrow this. Thanks.
Hey!